Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Man Who Kept a Sack Without Looking Inside. Story: There was once a man who was wealthy. One day, another man approached him and kindly asked him to safeguard a sack of money. The wealthy man agreed and stored the sack without checking what it actually contained. In reality, it was just filled with grains of corn. A few days later, the man returned to retrieve the sack he had left in safekeeping. The wealthy man called his servant and told him to give the man his sack. Upon receiving the same sack, the owner began to protest, claiming that it wasn't his, that his sack had been full of money, and he refused to take it back. When the wealthy man saw that he was about to be labeled a thief, and in order to avoid trouble with the law, he decided to fill the sack with money and return it to the man. Note: according to this Ifa, one must not keep anyone's package in order to avoid legal problems.